Okay, Mom. Yeah, I love you. I gotta go. Okay, bye. Hey, George McLaughlin. One word. Could have used a period. Does your product contain any chemicals of any kind? No, George. It absolutely does not. Our product is made in the USA by a local artisan, and through the process is eliminated of all toxic chemicals. If you do experience on other pizza steels some sort of scent when heated, this most likely is a sign of chemicals. And I personally would not eat off of it. That's just me. So, thanks again. P.S. You really do have a long name.